Good afternoon. You are welcomed by Citadel Watch Company. Patek Philippe is an exquisite men's watch from the legendary Swiss brand Patek Philippe, which is considered one of the most prestigious and luxurious watchmakers in the world. This watch, produced around 1890 to 1900, is a true work of art and the epitome of supreme watchmaking. The material of the watch case is high-quality steel, which provides strength and durability. The case size is an impressive 53 millimeters, which makes this watch a true giant of the watch world and makes it stand out on the wrist. The Patek Philippe watch is equipped with a mineral glass, which provides reliable protection of the dial from scratches and damage. The bracelet is made of crocodile leather, giving the watch a unique and luxurious look. The movement of the watch is mechanical, with a power reserve of up to 34 hours. This means that it will accurately tell the time for a long time without the need for frequent winding. In addition, this watch has hour, minute and second display functions, making it functional and reliable. The dial of the watch is made of sterling silver casting and decorated with natural sapphire and stones, giving it a unique and luxurious look. The watch case has a non-hardening coating, which keeps it looking elegant for years to come. These Patek Philippe wristwatches have been fully serviced and are in excellent condition, requiring no additional investment. They have incredible historical value and would be a true piece of jewelry for the collector or connoisseur of haute horlogerie. Good shopping and have a great day.